Hello everyone. Today I want to speak not just a politic, not just a famous creator, but as an ordinary Indian citizen. I belong to the Tiwa community, one of the small community in India. I come from the small village in Meghalaya. My voice may be small and I never reach in Delhi. But this is my country and I believe every citizen has the right to speak. I cannot stay silent when I feel that the futures of Indian children deserve education. I stand with every Indian child who dreams of equality education. I also support Sonam and everyone who is peacefully raising their voice for the education, justice and the future of our country. I may not be able to join the protests in Delhi, but through in this video, I want my voice to be heard. Even if my message never reach to the Sonam Wangchuk sir or Abhijit Dipke sir, I still want to speak because remaining silent is not the answer. As an Indian citizen, I believe our leader should be accountable to the people. In my opinion, if the country education system is failing our children, then those responsible must take responsibility. That is why the education minister should consider resigning and allow new leadership to work towards improving education. This is not about politics. This is about the futures of every child in India. Our constitution gives us freedom to express our opinion peacefully and respectfully. I hope my voice are heard, not because we are famous, but because we are citizens of this great nation. If the ordinary people do not speak our country, then who will? Jai Hind.